Welcome back to my channel. What is the easiest way to connect a Wi-Fi extender to your router? Step 1. Plug in the Wi-Fi extender. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power socket near your router and wait until the power light turns on. Step 2. Turn on your router. Make sure your router is powered on and the internet is working properly. Step 3. Press the WPS button on router. Press the WPS button on your router to start the connection process. Step 4. Press the WPS button on extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi extender and wait for it to connect. Step 5. Check connection light. When the Wi-Fi or signal light becomes solid, the extender is successfully connected. Step 6. Move the extender. Unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Step 7. Connect your device. Connect your phone, laptop, or TV to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Step 8. Test the internet. Open a website or video to make sure the internet is working properly. Step 9. Adjust location if needed. If the signal is weak, move the extender slightly and check again. Step 10. Enjoy strong Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi extender is now set up and boosting your Wi-Fi coverage. Thanks for watching.